my name's Cydney. I'm a recent graduate at Hope, and I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what a typical week will look like at university. So you have lectures, so these are really big class sizes. You have your lecturer at the front of the class, and they're basically talking you through a new idea. What Hope does is that they do send you the lecture 48 hours before, so it means that you can have a look at it before and be really comfortable with it. But it doesn't mean you should not go to your lectures. You should definitely go just to have that experience and then to get some valuable insight from your lecturers and then also from your peers. Then we have seminars, so these are basically like lectures but more kind of relaxed, and we have a smaller class size, so it might be about 20 people in that. It will go through what you've been going through in your lectures, but you're able to have discussions, you're able to kind of talk about it in a little bit more detail. And with your tutorials, you will only have 10 people in them, so that just means you do get this personalised experience with your tutors and then also your classmates. Also, when you're at university, you can join a club or a society. So in my first year, I went to the Freshers' Fair and I joined the English Society, and that was a really great way just to make friends and to get used to the campus a little bit and how everything kind of runs. And then I also created a society with my mate called the Scribble Society. So if you go to Freshers' Fair, definitely go and check them out. In my first year as well, I became a student ambassador, so I worked with the university, and it was a really great way for me to know my way around university, because it seemed really big when I got here, but then it became very small once I got into that job, and that's just a great way to earn a little bit as well when you're at university. So I hope this helps, and I can't wait for you to start your own adventure here at Hope.